you gotta clean it. You gotta clean
It's cloudy.
Hey, you know, I love this dang and it's gonna make everybody nuts.
Wait a second. Let me clean that.
Lady, come on, you should have cleaned that.
Well, I'm trying to clean.
We don't have our microphones on.
Well, it's okay. We're inside here. Well,
God.
will you stop a second so I can put my belt on?
Well, I want to drive everybody crazy.
Oh my gosh. Hold
Here,
that.
let me roll you into that.
Well, I can't. All right. Well, it's gonna ding.
Look, everybody, look. This is what I got to deal with.
This is what I got to
That's
deal
not
with.
too bad. That's not too shabby, is it? Here, we're gonna get out right here.
We're gonna get out?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at her. It is we've had a long day.
Oh my gosh.
I don't want to show you what we're about to do, but
I don't want to show you what we're about to do.
well, I want to show them when the appropriate
Okay,
time.
here. Well, let me hold it then. Okay. Oh, we're not supposed to show. Okay. Well, you want to look at that dirt?
I'll make sure it's banging.
Y'all look at that dirt?
I think this is a good shot.
Yeah,
right
let's
here,
stop.
don't you?
Just stop.
Let's stop.
My
Oh
God,
my
just
God,
stop.
please stop.
Oh my gosh. You can tell it's the end of the day. Everybody's hateful. Hateful. Wait a minute, Randy, we don't even have the microphones.
You said we didn't need them. You want them? Let's put them in.
Do we have? We don't have them.
You didn't bring them? You didn't bring them?
I didn't bring
I
them.
thought you packed them.
No.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Hey, this is not a long video.
We got to talk loud.
All right, we're on the mountain. I want to show you. We have got, this is a mountain of topsoil. You know, you can't see it perspective on this video here. That thing's 40 feet tall. That is 40 feet high. That is nothing but topsoil.
What? I mean, look at the scale.
Yeah, there you go. And
Scale.
that's the scale. She said we got to talk loud. But that's a mountain of topsoil. These are logs. There's brush that were almost burned up. We've got it cleaned up. These are rocks we've come out. This, see that Treco? This is a mountain of river rock. That right there is the pond, everybody, from the prairie. That is all river rock that we're going to clean up and use for landscaping on the communities, building creeks and water retention. But this video is to show you all the army that we have tearing this mountain apart. These three machines are the ones that we just purchased. There's the beautiful Amanda. Look, you're gonna model, Amanda. There is our Traco. We have a Traco there. That is a skid steer, a Traco and another Traco. It's a small. That's a 309. And a 304. Yep, these are cats. We purchased these. I wanted to show you. So what we did is we told Yump and all his guys and Joseph to line up the machinery so we can show you guys all the machinery that's on this mountain every single day and what we're trying to do.
Yeah.
Think about it. Every one of these is about $100 to $130 an hour, and they run every day, all day.
Look at these up
And
here.
look at
Look at
this.
this. This is all the equipment.
Come on, I'm gonna show you what we got, and they run constantly. So if there's any indicator or any slight, thinking that we don't do anything over here, I'm gonna tell you, this is nothing but tons of money, and they run every single day. Traco, 309, 309, Dozer, another Traco, it's another 304. You got two skid steers over here. Here's our vibratory, I don't know if I'm saying this right. It vibrates the ground, everybody. And this is what mashes the ground and packs it in. This is a big old heavy iron wheel, and then that drives, and this thing just vibrates and forces these into the dirt as we put about 6 inches of soil, and then it rolls over them, and it's just constantly going back and forth on everything we do. Then over here's another skid steer. So we have 4 skid steers. That's a skid steer on tracks, not wheels. 2 there, 2 dump trucks. We actually got 2 more dump trucks that didn't make it over here today. But we wanted to show you the army that's tearing this mountain apart.
Wow.
Look at this. Yeah,
That is an army.
look at the logs.
Mm-hmm. That's a fleet.
Yep. Here's some of the river rock that we have here. We got an attachment that goes on a Traco, and it rolls, and you grab a load of river rock from this pile right here, and it rolls, it cleans all out, all the smaller gravels, and leaves with this river rock. It's
Wow.
super expensive. I couldn't tell you how much that is per ton. But there you have it. We wanted to show that because it's taken so long to do this mountain, I've lost track. 2, going on our 3rd year. It's awful. We're trying. We have invested a ton. Yump has actually went out and bought more equipment
Yeah.
to put on this mountain. We've hired more men. We've got our own equipment down here that we've hired men.
Yeah.
We actually got another 1 to 2 guys we're hiring, and we're even thinking about getting another piece of equipment. And this is the future plans for the mountain. We really didn't know how far we were going to push this, and how, with all this acreage. You got 160 acres. It's a lot of land, and it's mountainous land. And there's a lot of surface area. So when you do a perimeter of 160, inside that there's more land than 160 acres when you spread it out on a table. So I couldn't tell you how many acres we do have within that boundary, but we're going to tear it all up. We're going to just develop it all. We have never said that before. We were going to take it phases, and we really didn't know how much this was going to be in demand. It's an overwhelming demand.
Overwhelming demand.
We just sold out Buffalo Creek. 200 lots gone, and that was within 8 months, 6 months, something like that. And we're just a little bitty YouTube channel. I mean, I couldn't imagine what would happen if we were nationwide and we had all this going on. So we're changing gears a little bit, and we're going to put all this together on a plat and show you our final plan. I've already walked this mountain 100 times. I know what I want, where I want it, and what the amenities we're going to put on it. Probably 90%, because I got some really cool things I got dreams of doing back here that we may do, but 90% of what we want, and we're going to present that to the world, okay, which is you all. And I wanted to show you the naysayers, people say it's taking forever, maybe we're not doing anything, and believe me, in my head that may not be happening, but in my head I'm thinking, I hate it because I want this done. We wanted it yesterday, but it's dirt work. We went through COVID, tons of rain, wettest season we ever had. We're on a roll. Right now it's great weather, probably until winter hits. But I just wanted to show you this army that we have. I was going to show you the guys that operate them, but they do not want to be on camera.
No, they do not.
They're a crew that says, stay away from me. So, and I kind of envy that if I could. Not being on camera, I understand it. But this is what we do.
And right there, I just want to show that's the end of the prairie.
Yeah, look.
To kind of show the view from here. Beautiful.
You know what? I wish I could, I should get up on that mountain of topsoil. Look at your car, maybe in reference to that mountain of topsoil.
Yes,
right,
look at that.
Now, all that topsoil was dumped out of here from the mountain. It's come down in a dump truck, 1 load at a time. This river rock over here has been brought over here 1 truck at a time from the pond across the street in the prairie. Think about every single truckload. You're looking at running an hour. Maybe we can get a couple loads in an hour, 3 loads. That dump truck's over some $150 an hour. And I couldn't tell you how many loads here. Talking weeks and weeks.
Yes.
So you can tell that the amount of infrastructure costs that we've occurred here is way over what we've brought in on any kind of buy-in money.
Right.
So anyway, we are trudging forward. We are doing great things with the land. We've got almost all the sewer in for the 85 lots on Buffalo Creek. We've almost got half the roads already cut in and 65 lots almost ready to be cut in by the end of probably October. We're hoping to have homes set here in the mountain. Maybe not infrastructure completed, but we're gonna put homes on lots, homes on Buffalo Creek. Things are happening. So if you guys are looking and wanting to move to Tennessee and you want to be a part of this development that we're gonna get done with this army that we have here, and we may recruit some more army because we don't want to sit still, because the demand is absolutely stunning of people needing homes and affordable homes. And we want to sell our homes affordable, our lots affordable, the whole thing. So we got some big plans. So this is just a look at what we're doing. All right. And feel good about your investment with us.
Yeah. Feel secure. And this land, Randy, is paid for.
The land is paid for.
That's right.
Can't jerk it out from under us. All right. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll be back.